that, I think. It's time for Mrs. Sniffles to go back to nature. She's done mothering. She's raised her children. They've become fine adolescents now, and she no longer shows any interest in them. She also keeps wanting to escape the little hedgehog house. So we think it's time that she goes her merry way. All right, Mrs. Sniffles? But she never really became very, very tame and very friendly to us. Yes, this is Wonderland. You can go exploring. And maybe we'll meet again, Mrs. Sniffles. Or you come and see your babies.